to the channel. Today is the first video in what I'm doing a series kind of called a Fragment Series. I want to play with my spinner, but I want to do kind of a Sarah Taylor-esque type of feel. I want to just do minimalistic lines on a canvas, swipe it a little bit with some cell activator, and then spin it out. So it's going to not have it's going to have tons of negative space. That's my idea. I just want to be very minimalistic, have lines shooting out, kind of tree-like branches, I guess you could say. And, but creating a really cute piece with color and cells and lacing, but having so much more negative space. So I'm probably going to do about 3 or 4 of these videos. So today we're going to get started with the first one. All right, so let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So what I've got today is a 14 by 14 deep edge gallery wrap canvas, level 3 from Artist Loft. Get those from Michael's. Actually, the 14 by 14s can only be bought online. You can't buy them in the store anymore. So like I said, in this new series I'm starting, it's going to be kind of what I'm calling a fragmented series. So I really want to play with the spinner. I want to play with negative space. And what I'm going to be doing is laying out colors and using a little bit of cell activator in different areas and then spinning it out so it's kind of giving some fragmented lines and brokenness into it. So the colors that I'm going to go with my white. This is my titanium white from Amsterdam. And then the colors I'm going to use today, this is Amsterdam Payne's Gray, which is much grayer than, for instance, my Payne's Gray that I use from Creative Inspirations. I like this one when I want to use it. This is the Carmine Deep Red from Liquitex Basics. Nice blood red, I love that one. This is Metallic Gold from Creative Inspirations. This is Arteza in the Burnt Sienna. And then I've got my Pebeo Iridescent Blue-Green. So what I'll do is I'll lay out these colors in fragmented lines moving around. And then I'm going to swipe them with 2 different cell activators, I think. So I've got my Oxide Black. And then I've got my Amsterdam Turquoise Green. The cell activators are mixed 3 to 1, 3 parts of Australian Floetrol to 1 part of paint. All right, so what I'll do with this is I'm just gonna lay down a big old puddle here in the center. There we go. Just mix this paint up, so I am going to torch it. And what I want to do is I'm just going to kind of lay out the colors however I feel like. So start off with the Payne's Gray, I think. Kind of giving it some direction. A lot of it's going to spin, and so we don't know where it's all going to go. Carmine Red. Gold. Sienna. Now we're just going to play with the cell activator. Just kind of go through areas. What I'm trying to do is kind of pick up some areas that just got a lot of cell activator color here. Maybe pick them up and just kind of drag it out. I'm gonna play with the black now. I like that. Maybe just a small one over here. I like what happened with this here. Really cool. Everything's pretty much spread out. Anytime there's a little imperfection you're not liking, you can use your finger to kind of bring it back a little bit. What I don't like, I can tell right now, is this little section right here. So I am going to take some of the turquoise, kind of follow through there. All right, let's give this a light spin, see how this spreads out. Bring this down just a little bit. really cool cells and lacing that I'm getting through here is really nice. I'm loving the negative space. This is just perfect. Check my sides, edges, make sure everything's covered. So when you spin out something, you kind of don't know where it's going to go, but that's why I wanted to create the branches. But what I've got is a branch over here that stayed. I got the main thing here in the center that stretched out, and then this side over here. Really, really cool. Got great white negative space. I will have to come back and constantly check this for air bubbles because I see them still popping up. I don't want those to keep coming up. Okay guys, here we are with the wet result. Really awesome. Let's see how this dries. Be right back. Okay everyone, that is it for today's painting. So that is the piece. I really, really like how this dried. I love the negative space going through here. I love how the things just kind of flowed off the ends and kept this big main piece. Using the turquoise cell activator was the first time. So that was a really, really cool option. I like that. So like I said, this is the first piece in the collection, so I'll use completely different colors this time. I'll do different design, but yeah, I think I'm going to probably do at least 3 videos, maybe 4. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.